students, welcome back to the Vietnamese Culture and Language course at Asia University. I'm Thanh Hà, and today we're going to learn about hệ thống âm và chữ viết trong tiếng Việt, Vietnamese sound and writing system. I divided this lesson into 3 parts. In the first part, I will introduce to you hệ thống phát âm tiếng Việt, the Vietnamese sound system. In the second part, we'll learn about hệ thống chữ viết tiếng Việt, the Vietnamese writing system. And in the final part, we learn about sự hình thành cấu trúc của từ, the structural formation of words. Okay, let's get it started. Phần 1. Giới thiệu hệ thống phát âm tiếng Việt. Part 1. Introduction to Vietnamese sound system. First, let's talk a little bit about bảng chữ cái tiếng Việt, the Vietnamese alphabet. You know, unlike other Asian languages such as Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Arabic, the Vietnamese written language is based on the Roman alphabet as English alphabet. You can see on the slide. Chữ quốc ngữ means national language group. The Vietnamese alphabet is a modern writing system for the Vietnamese language. Chữ quốc ngữ is based on sound. This means to pronounce correctly, you don't have to understand meanings of words. As you can see here, the Vietnamese alphabet uses Latin letters. However, the Vietnamese alphabet is not the same as the English alphabet. Do you see the difference on the slide? Yes, the difference is that we have 3 A's, 2 D's, 2 E, 3 O, and 2 U's. Interesting, right? Well, let's have to a closer look at the Vietnamese alphabet. Can you see which English letters are missing in the Vietnamese alphabet? Let's see. We are A, B, C, D, E, and no F. We have G, H, I, no J. We have K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, no W, S, Y, and no G. Yes, we don't have F, J, W, and G. These are not parts of the Vietnamese alphabet. Let's look at the Vietnamese alphabet again. Can you tell me which Vietnamese alphabet letters do not belong to the English alphabet? Yes, there are 7 strand letters which do not belong to the English alphabet. They are A, Ư, D, E, O, Ư. These letters have differentiates Vietnamese alphabet and English alphabet. We developed our language based on the Roman alphabet, but we didn't copy 100%. We have our own characters. Thank you for watching. See you.